Hey everybody, it's Rob Harrell at MarineMax in Charleston. Hope y'all are having an awesome day. Today we are looking at a brand new 2026 Scout 240 XSF in their newest color, Alpine Gray. This boat also has a color Scout White Mercury Verado 300 on the back of it. Plenty of power for this boat. As you can see, it has a nice walk-through transom on the back. Let's get on board and take a look. Now we're on board of the boat. You can see the walk-through transom is very nice. This boat is equipped with raw water. As you can see, there are cup holders, rod holders throughout the boat. They are plumbed. Your cleats are going to be recessed. Plenty of room in the back of this boat for fishing. We have an upgraded leaning tower with rod holders, cup holders as well. Igloo cooler. You have rod storage port and starboard on the boat. This boat is true self-bailing as well. You have a clear lid for your live well. You have rear seating that pulls out, easy to store for fishing. So we come up the helm. This boat is equipped with an upgraded JL audio speakers as well, upgraded Garmin. You do have the Mercury vessel view, so this will hold all your engine data so you don't have to tie your Garmin up. Razor lights on top of the boat, Bluetooth stereo, and wireless phone charging as well. Nice glassed-in cockpit with vent to flow through. It is rated, I said, for 11 people, so you can have plenty of people on this boat. Big spacious head that you can step down into. And in the bow of the boat, we walk up forward, we have a nice anchor locker. We have port and starboard coolers that are drainable, or fish boxes as well, same as the coffin box. You could put a plug in there and put drinks or fish in it. This has the newest Bianca interior, and this boat has a bow filler option. So now you can turn this whole thing into a nice sunbed. Absolutely gorgeous boat, does a lot of things on the water, great family fun. Hey, my name's Rob Harrell. If you would like to see this boat, you can see it at MarineMax.com, Charleston. You can reach us at 843-747-1889. Let's get on the water.